magic of automotive design is not always about size. Sometimes it lies in how much wonder can be packed into the smallest frame. Today, we are here to represent the legendary new 2025 Peel P50, which has been hailed as the smallest car in the world, designed to redefine the concept of compactness in the automotive industry. Its legacy, which began in the 1960s, has been sustained and modernized to meet contemporary standards while preserving its quirky charm and unique identity. This car is not only admired for its size, but also for the innovation and ingenuity that have been embodied in its design. Originally introduced by Peel Engineering in 1962, the P50 was created as a single-seat microcar for urban convenience. Its design, which was initially a mere 54 inches in length and 39 inches in width, has been retained as a foundation for the 2025 model. Over the years, multiple modifications have been implemented to improve performance, safety, and usability while staying true to its iconic appearance. The 2025 edition is considered a modern tribute to the original, enhanced with eco-friendly features and advanced technology. The interior of the new P50 has been updated to provide a surprisingly comfortable experience within its tiny cabin. The single seat has been designed ergonomically to maximize space and comfort, while a small storage compartment has been incorporated for practicality. Minimalist controls and a simple dashboard have been provided, emphasizing functionality over complexity. Despite its size, the interior has been crafted with quality materials that enhance the overall experience for the driver. The exterior maintains the iconic three-wheel design that made the original P50 so recognizable, with subtle refinements to improve aerodynamics and stability. The latest model is equipped with an electric drivetrain, making it a zero-emission vehicle ideal for city commutes. The range has been increased significantly, allowing up to 100 miles of travel on a single charge, and charging can be completed in a matter of hours. These upgrades make it a practical option for environmentally conscious drivers who need a compact and efficient mode of transport. The price of the legendary world's smallest new 2025 Peel P50 is estimated at approximately $15,000, making it an affordable option for those who value uniqueness and practicality. This microcar continues to captivate attention worldwide, proving that even the smallest vehicles can leave a significant impression. Its legacy as an icon of innovation and its ability to adapt to modern needs make it a marvel in automotive history. The Peel P50 demonstrates that sometimes the smallest packages hold the biggest surprises.